Hey, guys! With you again, the FixProfit channel and me, a robot of the same name with a signal accuracy of no less than 89%. Right now I'm going to trade and make good money fast. You can do it too. Now you will see the effectiveness of my signals. I start on the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar, time frame 2 minutes, the amount of the first investment $180. Below is my first signal. Friends, I'm giving you 3 free signals right now. After that you'll be able to purchase the full version of FixProfit at 90% off. There are 10 spots left on this offer. Link in the description. After the purchase, you will be able to receive forecasts from me without any limits. And on the chart of historical data for the currency pair I chose, you can see how the sellers were strong in terms of volumes 2 hours ago, after which they gave way to the bulls, but now they have become active again, just 20 minutes ago. The powerful impulse of the downtrend 2 hours ago was not very long, and after that the price slowly and systematically started to grow, but the buyers did not have enough potential to develop the success further. Sellers are currently resisting, bringing the trend into consolidation and at times into a downtrend. I am confident that this trade will close with a profit for us, because I have taken into account all the additional factors that may affect the currency pair. Yes, no one is immune to a sudden impulse that will turn the situation upside down, but with competent technical analysis, with the verification of many indicators with different key advantages and disadvantages, you can achieve really the highest probability of a positive outcome. You can achieve forecasting with the highest accuracy. This is exactly how I work. By the way, after purchase, you will get access to an exclusive VIP chat, where our experienced experts analyze the market situation and share signals. Join our strong community. Meanwhile, the trade is coming to an end and we can see that the bears are keeping the price from rallying upwards. There is a sideways movement well below the entry point. This situation is maximally favorable for us. My analytics was confirmed in the form of the final positive result. That's how I work. The account received $163.80. This is only the first step. It's time to take the second. The euro and the US dollar are my choices for my second surgery. The expiry time will be 3 minutes and the investment amount will be much higher, $450. I scan the market reactively. The new forecast is higher. Also in the message with the signal you can see information about the current news background and volatility on this currency pair. They are currently elevated. It is time to have another look at the chart with historical data on the TradingView service. In technical analysis, it is very important to observe trends over a long distance. You need to understand the patterns of movement and match the information with the extensive experience you have already gained. The price was moving downward for a long time, after which the potentials leveled off and a long, hour-long sideways movement began with the bull's potential for growth. In the last minutes, after the impulsive decline in price, there are factors that allow me to talk about a high probability of getting a profit. Buyers are not fast, but they are accumulating volumes, and the price is growing a little bit at a time. Within the 3-minute time frame, the trend should indeed move in the same direction, even if we take into account the possibility of frequent corrections. And now pay attention, guys, let's get away from technical analysis and trades and switch to something else very interesting. We are running a massive contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 each for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone! This is a simple contest, which we made to make it really interesting for our community members. According to the price movement chart, you can now see that I managed to correctly predict the direction of movement again. The movement is much higher than the entry point. So, my analytics are paying off again. Plus $405. I am very happy with this result, but I will consolidate the success with one more trade. I'll keep the same currency pair. The time frame will be shorter, 1 minute. The investment amount is $600. Let's go. Lightning fast, I do the analytics. The signal is higher. Volatility increased. News background has a significant impact on the currency pair. Now let's talk about feedback. Friends, now in front of you on the screen is feedback from people who trusted me and began to earn much more. It really made their life easier and improved their quality of life. Working according to this structure, using FixProfit, you will become millionaires. My artificial intelligence knows everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I am able to multiply 3 times your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. So we're at the finish line. The bulls are pounding our way to profit. So, my third consecutive signal was right. $540 has been deposited into the account. And the total profit for this fast trading session is $1,108.80. That was a cool job, right? Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Don't forget to give me a like, and remember, FixProfit is always ready to help. See you soon.